Okay. Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Nikolai. Today we're inspired by the champion Ryan Garcia. You guys up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Bam, bam. Okay, we are inspired by Ryan Garcia, so we will like keep the length on the side. We will just clean it up around the ear, and then I think we will take it in the neck, and then we will do a short there. And we will of course keep the length up here also, but thin it so it's easy for you to style and get the movement.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go.
Let's go.
Relax and enjoy. Vi skal kort til siden.
I got
are you doing on the daily basis?
So I'm waiter at a restaurant called the restaurant Gloria.
Oh,
It's Danish food. Stuff.
It should be all over the world. People should taste Danish food.
Yeah,
yes.
Exactly.
Many people don't know what smørrebrød is.
Yeah.
So, but it's a piece of bread with a lot of meat on.
Like potatoes and eggs and shrimps.
Nice.
Yeah.
My favorite is the potato.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, Nikolaj, so now I'm coming to the styling. I will use the sidekick. Super. I will start wetting the hair. No bullets. No bullets. In the face. I'm gonna use the sidekick, be protected, 24 household, and volume. So we use clay. We're going for the dynamite clay. A little bit more. På glasset, bare give den gas.
We're almost done, but first, Nikolaj, how do you like your new hairstyle?
I think it's amazing.
I think it's a hard hitter. Good job, Renee.
Thank you.
As always, and remember to write in the comment section what you think about the hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.